guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Veronica Wagoner, and if you're new here, please subscribe as well. So anyways, this video I will be doing a review on the Makeup Forever Velvet Foundation Powder, and to see how this applies. This is how it came out, so if you like it, please keep watching. So now I applied my concealer, and I put some powder on top of it, and into my eyebrows, and I put some eye gel on it. So now I'm going to go in the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Compact Blurring Powder Foundation. And it's full coverage blurring powder with a lifelike matte finish, blends and breathes within for a 12-hour wear that never cakes, flakes, or fades. So they have buildable coverage, sheer coverage, and they have full coverage. To achieve a full coverage application of the Matte Velvet Blurring Powder Foundation, apply it using a sponge side of the enclosed application. Use a short strokes, beginning applying the center of the face, blending outwards and repeating until the desired coverage is achieved. But I like how this pack is really compact and really good, and it comes with, like, you can seal it. Like, sometimes they have you just don't have a button here, and this one's pretty good. The mirror is pretty nice. This is the sponge it comes in. I've heard of many really good reviews about this, so that's why I'm using this. And to see how, I never really, a couple years ago I liked powder ones, but then I started liking the liquid more because it doesn't feel like there's makeup on my face. But this one, they said you don't really feel it at all. So I'm going to use the enclosed sponge application. So it's probably, this one. This one's for a sheer coverage, and this one's for a fuller coverage. Yeah. So I'm going to try the half the face. I'm going to do one side, and the other face I'm going to do the other side. So mine is Y22 Marble, like yellow base one. So I'm going to do the sheer one first, and I'm going to do one on this side. So the sheer one, yeah, it's the same thing. I guess it looks like it's a light amount. Short strokes to the outside. Yeah, it's very, like, looks like you don't have any makeup on. I don't really feel that at all, honestly. So this is how it looks now with the sheer coverage. You can tell there's a line at least here. I like how it looks. It's very natural. In the mirror, it looks like I just have, like, flawless skin. So let me try now this side with the full coverage one. So this is how the full coverage came out to be, and then it's the light side. So it's a difference. And I have, like, a pimple. It covered it pretty well. So now I'm gonna do my face off camera putting some blush and bronzer on. So I'll be right back. So now I applied my lipstick, my bronzer, my blush, and everything, and this is how it came out. I think it looks very nice. It looks very natural. It's not, like, very heavy on the skin. I don't feel the powder at all. It feels like a more liquid foundation. I like how it looks. I like how it blended with my bronzer, my blush, and I probably will use it again. I will probably say I would recommend this foundation to anybody who likes powder. It doesn't go in my creases, my frown lines at all, and I will recommend. It doesn't make me look like I have a bunch of makeup on or cakey at all. I hope you liked this review, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.